August 28, 2021, officers attempted a traffic stop on a motorcycle without visible tags. The driver, after making eye contact, evaded the stop, leading police on a chase at speeds surpassing 100 miles per hour.
Okay. Get off! Get off!
It's a cute tag. You do it out of fun or just because you ride like an asshole? You're gonna kill somebody.
He's lucky he didn't kill himself. Anything else on you I'm missing? Nope. Alright, go ahead, take a seat. You're under arrest for fleeing, eluding, and reckless driving, alright? Yes, sir. Good catch, Sarge.
It's your boyfriend?
It's my Tinder date.
Your Tinder date?
It's your Tinder date.
It's gonna look good when you end up in a morgue from your Tinder date because he's driving 130 running.
Hey, listen, I understand that that's your Tinder date, but you were just involved in something.
Yeah.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, man? Good job.
That was Sarge right there.
Ma'am, do you have anything on you?
No, I don't have any.
No weapons, no nothing?
No, it's just my phone and my credit card. No, my credit card, my debit card, and my. Met him like 2 days ago, or a day ago.
Alright, were you telling him to stop or anything?
I said stop.
Okay. Alright. Here's the deal. She was just on the back, right? We're gonna take you out of cuff right now, but we're gonna sit you back here, okay? So just
Check my notes for the beach here, and you go ahead and put it back in the room, please.
you okay?
Just fine.
Okay. Well, listen, you're safe, okay? You're fine. You easily could have died tonight, okay? So, but you're safe right now, okay? So just take a couple deep breaths, just calm down.
I was right behind it. I came up to a Chestnut, and I was coming up behind it. He looked at me and took off right through the red light, and I'm like, oh, here we go.
Hey, I took her out of cuffs.
Did you?
She's freaking out.
To you, buddy. She's in your car. So.
Yeah, no, I can tell her. She just met this guy on Tinder 2 days ago, and she's literally like freaking the hell out.
I swiped right on Tinder. We talked.
How long? That was, you said a couple days ago?
Technically, like 2 days. Yesterday and today. So technically 2 days.
What'd you guys go do today?
We went to Clearwater Beach.
Like where at Clearwater Beach? What did you do?
Got drinks. We sat on the edge.
He didn't say we're gonna get away. He didn't say nothing. Do you know him to be somebody that commits a lot of crimes or anything like that? You just heard him.
Yeah.
And he didn't say anything to you at all that he was wanted or he was anything.
Is he wanted?
I don't know. Is he?
No, I don't think so.
Because you're gonna get yourself in a position like this.
All right, Taylor. So, you know what happened? What happened? I was driving like a jackass and got pulled over. So, because you saw us there back on North Myrtle. What did you do at North Myrtle?
Yeah. So you
I know what I did was stupid.
Have you ever been arrested for fleeing before? Have you seen the videos of Clearwater cops catching motorcycles fleeing all the time? No. Do you remember running the red light at Chestnut?
I'm not going to say because I don't know what street is what. I don't know the area
The
too
initial
well.
one where you saw this blue car behind you.
Yeah, it's in the front seat.
The woman was released, while the man faced a felony charge for attempting to evade police at high speeds. Will this incident mark the end of his attempts to